Hey there! Welcome to the Carrington floor plan by HHHunt Homes. This townhome floor plan comes with up to 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 1,502 to 1,902 square feet. I'm excited to take the 3D rendering tour with you. We are here in your living area, which is perfect for entertaining family and friends. Maybe catch the game on the big TV. Offering an open concept floor plan, the Carrington's living area opens to your expansive kitchen with a breakfast bar. Your kitchen has a ton of storage and counter space, perfect for hosting dinner parties and game nights. The kitchen also includes a huge pantry and an optional bench. You also have a dining area, perfect for making memories around the table. My favorite part? The outside space, perfect for morning coffee or a nightcap. Upstairs you will find your owner suite with a large walk-in closet and a luxurious bathroom including optional dual vanities. Yep, you deserve this. The optional loft or other bedrooms or bathrooms are perfect for family members or guests. Thank you for taking the tour with me. To learn more, please visit hhhunthomes.com. Because at HH Hunt, it's how you live that matters.
HHHunt Homes reserves the right to modify floor plans, elevations, materials, design, and prices at any time. Dimensions and square footage are approximate. Renderings and photos are examples and may be of similar homes offered. Not all selections may be offered in all communities. See On-Site New Home Advisor for details.